Hi guys, now we are back in the series of learning how to use Scratch. I know it's been a long time, but I was making a lot of shorts. I wasn't focused on Scratch, so now we are back. So what are we going to explain now? Are going to explain control and sensing and maybe operators. It depends. I don't know. So, so now we are going to explain control blocks. They are one from the most important. And you might ask, why is your Scratch different? I mean, you have these cuts blocks. The blocks are smooth. You have dark mode. Wherever this is another section. The answer is I use a thing named Scratch add-ons. It's so simple to use. To get Scratch add-ons, or I will explain Scratch add-ons in a whole split video. So for now, you should focus with the programming. So we have control blocks. First one is wait. You can already expect what it does. It just wait. Now it would wait 1 second and move. So when we click the green flag, look, wait 1 second, then move. Can make it wherever you want. And here is the repeat block. It's so important. So first we have move repeat 10, move 10 steps. That means 10 by 10 is 100. It would move 100 steps, but not directly. It would be smoother like this. It would be moving step by step. If we put it directly 100 steps, it would just teleport. So here there is the forever. It's also one from the most important. So forever it would keep doing the thing forever. That's it. Move 100 steps. Or move 10 steps. If we take it to here, look what would happen. It would keep moving forever. And we can put the weight inside of the forever and something good would happen. If we make it just 0.1 seconds, look what would happen. Like this. 2 minutes. Yeah, you can, if you put the weight into any one of those, it would be good. Now we have the if block. It's also from the most important. I know that I am making everything important, but yeah, they are. Oh, here you have another shape you have never seen. So we can't explain it now. Wait a minute. Yeah, we can't explain it now. We will explain sensing first because sensing would introduce these blocks. But first, so we will go through all of this. Wait until stop. Now we have clones. Clones, for example, create clone of player. It would create clone of this one, Mr. Redface. And there is the when I start as clone. If we make it create a clone of myself, for example, forever, it would create clone. Then when the clone starts, it would go to random position. Like this. This would happen. Pretty cool, right? Oh, and now I will show you how to create the glitchy thing. Like this. If we take this player, for example, when green flag clicked forever, create clone of myself. Then when I start as a clone, go to here, go to the effects, set color effect to, oh sorry, I will, this blocks, it just picks a random value. I will explain it later. From 1 to, so it would set the color to random color. Look what would happen. Oh, what happened? Like this. Oh, sorry, what is happening? Create clone and then start with clone. Yes. Oh, forgot, my bad. Forgot to make it go to random position. Ah, like this. That seems... Oh, that's so cool. See? It's just full of Mr. Color faces. Why is no one laughing? Oh man, I am bad at jokes. Alright. So, we learned these, and here is the delete this clone. So when I start this clone, put a random position, set color effect, then it would wait only 1 second, wait 1 second, then it would get deleted. So like this, we will make it loop, like this. Every clone would wait 1 second and disappear. Yeah, this is also good. They are like trying to spread but getting destroyed in the same time. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Like this. The effect is so good. So you understand it. There is create clone and this block, wherever if you put it down it would do when it get created. So we will explain sensing now. It senses. So these shapes is like actions. The circles, for example, the circles are a value. So they're like a number function. No, it's not a function. What am I saying? It's a value. So x position. Well, I explained it. It's a value, and this is not a value. This is action. Touching mouse pointer. This this senses if the clone is touching mouse pointer or the edge or another sprite if touching and the is it touching and if you click it it would give you force. It's not touching, but if we put it here, if we put it like this, now it's true because it is touching ending. So here touching the color, touching this color, this purple color, false, it's not touching this color. And if this color is touching this color, I mean if color red is touching color black, let's try. It's to pure red like this, and here put black, completely black. But wait, like this. Okay, it should be true because it has black and red. Wait, false. Maybe it should be in another sprite. It doesn't count if in the same sprite. And this is the distance. So if we make it senses the distance, it's not an action, it's a value. So here it's, oh my god, don't careful of this matters. 371. This is the distance to mouse pointer, but if we make it to end, it would be 174. Like this, it's a value. And there is the ask block. It's so cool. So ask what is your name, or why did I remove that? I wanted to actually ask what is your name. When you use this block, look at what would happen. It would give you this, what is your name. So I will type my name, type for example Mr. Red Face. Right, then we have the value answer. The answer is Mr. Redface. This is a value. So you can for example when green flag clicked, ask what is your name, then say answer. So when this happens now, start with face. Say Mr. Redface. We can make it say hello Mr. Redface, hi Mr. Redface, but this is a feature in the operators which is I didn't explain yet. When we explain it, I will show you it. So we have sensing mouse X. This detects the mouse position. Mouse X, mouse Y. It's a value, as we all know. Oh, and to break down values, I will get a say block like this, mouse Y. So now my mouse Y is on minus 180. It's a negative value. So here there is, oh my bad. So here is, oh my bad, I didn't explain this. This detects if key space press. Now it's false, but now it's true now. If mouse down, it would always give me true. Oh, anyway, so alright, set drag mode to draggable. This makes me drag or not drag. Basically, like this. If we start the game, I can't drag. Oh my bad, I can. If we not draggable, click. Now I can't drag anything like this. It just cheats. Allow this allow cheats. This don't allow cheats. Basically, here is the loudness. It uses microphone. It's just a value of how loud are you. Maybe it would increase if the game is so rage bait. Here is the timer. The timer, you can't start it, you can reset it. So timer now is 153 since the green flag was clicked. No, since we started, because the timer is special. It doesn't reset with the green flag. So if we don't care. So first timer. Oh no, it's resetting. If we reset it, it will reset. So anyway, here we have everything. So we said that this basically the timer. We talked. We are talking about the timer. So if we click reset timer, I don't know, bro. Reset timer. Get the timer here. We reset it. Look what would happen. For example, now it's 4. Now it's resetting. Remove this. Remove this. All right. So here, this is the most underrated block ever. No one talks about it, but it's so OP. Do you understand? It's the best block. It it uh, it literally detects everything. It's your main detector. It detects the variables of the stage or any sprite, so it could detect the exposition, the direction, the custom name of any sprite or the stage. Just imagine how just imagine how dangerous this block would be if you put it in the wrong hands. They will create I don't know, nuclear reactor if it comes to the wrong hands, bro. Current year, it's simple, 2025. Yet tomorrow is 2026, and here we have the complete opposite, the most useless block. It shows you days since the year 20. What should I do? The only choice to do with it is, for example, making a timer or something. That's it. There's nothing else special to do with this. Mm-mm. Anyway, and here the username is pretty good. It shows your username. Then now, maybe no, I should explain operators. They are they are so important, and I should explain them. Honestly, I will explain them. Then in the upcoming episode, I will explain variables and the custom blocks. These are custom blocks, and there is a list they don't show for some reason. I'll also explain them. So here, operators. It could do any math for you. It could help you in your math homework. Exposition plus timer. For exposition is 109. Timer and no whatever. So it's just do any math problem. Plus, minus, dividing, or what is its name? I don't know how to say it in English. Because English is not my native English anyway. Alright. I have the pick random. I explained it. Just picks a random number. If we make it from 1 to 1 quintillion, 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 or okay, pick random from 1 to 1, Mr. Redfacian. It would pick random, but it would be always a huge number because the chances of being huge is so bigger than being small or normal. And there is these action blocks. It's do bigger or equals if 15 is 16 bigger than 15. True. No. Oh, my bad. I didn't explain this. So here is the if. We put any action. If 16 is bigger than 15, for example, is if timer is bigger than exposition, say wait a minute. No, say no, and absolutely for no reason. There we go. Just keep waiting. Timer is increasing, and it's so close. And the timer is more than exposition. Well, this is going to take forever. Let's change this. Let's make it Y position. So if we keep going up, Y position will start to increase, and it's close to be bigger than X position. Oh, my bad. So now, no, for no reason, and you can't just make this when green flag clicked if the Y position bigger than blah 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 blah. You can't make it. If we do this, even if Y position is higher, it won't. To explain the reason why it doesn't work, because just imagine it's this before the if. So when green flag clicked, it would say no if Y position is bigger than X position. So it would check Y position and X position for only one time. Then it would do nothing. So to solve this, simply use forever, so it would keep checking forever. Wait. Oh, they just done. Controlling them is pretty hard. Like this. Then we have a now it would always like this. No, for no reason. Nice. So go to my bad. No, and if else. If else, it would be this. It would be like the same thing, but it would have expectation. To explain it, if Y position bigger than X position, it would do this whatever you put here. And if Y position is not bigger than X position, it would do what you put here. So here, if Y position say no for no reason, and if not, and else say ooh, I'm safe. I am safe. And for no reason. What am I doing? Anyway, so like this would happen. Oh, I am safe for no reason. And then no for no reason. I like it. Then we have the wait until. It would wait until something happens. So put the action here. Wait until. So forever. Wait in. No. Wait until. You can use it as an if or something. For example. Take a if x position higher than x y position, wait until, before saying no, wait until I know for key space pressed. So this would happen. It would just like double check. Now it is y position is higher than x position. So until we click space to say, oh, what is happening? I don't know. Anyway, it would, for example, and that doesn't matter. You understand what it does, so it doesn't matter. And the repeat enter, right? Okay, space is pressed. Repeat until K space is pressed. Move 10 steps. So this would happen. Right here, like this. When I click space, stop. When I click space, stop. Yeah. Like this. So we finished them all. So go back to operators. So here is the AND, the OR, and the NOT. These blocks are so goated. They are from the most important. Basically, to explain them all, and to become true, this should be true and this should be true. So the whole thing would become true. And is if this one is true or this one is true, the whole thing would become true. See, so one from both. If one from both becomes true, the whole thing would become true. So, and not. If the thing here is false, the not would be true. It's like it just make the opposite. So, to make it, to explain it, get some stuff from here. Touching mouse. What do we put? Alright, we got some stuff. So K space pressed, and mouse down. So I am holding space. It's false. Wait a minute. To make it good, forever, when green flag clicked, forever, say, by the way, you can't put the action here. It would say true or false. So now it's false. If I hold space, it's still false. If I hold the mouse, it's still false. If I hold them both together, it's true. Like this is how does it work. And then the OR. If we put them in an OR, put them in OR, then what's happening? The mouse like this. Like this, look at what happened. If we hold space, it would become true. And if we click mouse, it would also become true. Then the not. So if not K space. So not. What is happening? Like this. So first it's true. I'm not clicking mouse, but if I click, it will become false. Wait a minute. My bad. It's space, not mouse. If I click space, it will become false, like this. So Fun fact, if you put a notch inside of a notch, it would become the most useless thing ever. And there is the join block. For example, we will bring back the question, our question. What's the question? Maybe I deleted it. For example, ask what is your name, then answer. Then, when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, ask what is your name. Nice. Then say get a join block. Join the words. Join apple banana. Apple banana. Join hello. Hello. Answer. So it would say hello and whatever the answer is. So now it is your name, Mr. Redface. Then hello, Mr. Redface. This is how does it work. Then we have the letter 1 of apple. It just indicates the letter 1 of apple is A, basically. Length of apple is 5 blocks. 5 characters. Does apple contains A? Yes, it does. And the mode. Basically, it gives you what remains after dividing to the stuff. For example, 10 divided by 3. What would we have? 1. Because 3 divided by 3 by 3 is 9. So have 1 remaining. And we have round. We put the round, it would like give a close. Make around 10, it would be 10 because not. But if we make it 9.5, it would be make it 10. It would make like a close number that is easy. For example, instead of saying 9.9999988886667, just say 10. It's the same thing, barely. So we have this thing. It has every type of advanced math stuff you didn't study, or you did. For me, I didn't. So you have everything you studied in school, or every math thing. This stuff, the log, the in, the atom, the acquot, the asin, the ton, the cos. All of them. So goodbye. We explained a lot today. We learned a lot today. So goodbye.